Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I recently started training to run a half marathon with my husband, so this running vest has been essential for keeping me hydrated on long runs. So first of all, I love that this running vest has the great little space in the back for the water bladder. It holds up to 500 milliliters, which even for two people to share is more than enough water. I love the fact that it's so comfortable. It's extremely lightweight, and because it has adjustable straps, it can fit different body sizes and types. For example, my husband is 6'2", about 200 pounds. It fits him perfectly. I'm 5'4", 150 pounds. Fits me great. Everything is adjustable, so you're gonna get a nice tight fit against the body, which is nice because when you're running, you don't want to have a lot of friction. You don't want to have anything moving around too much. Okay, this running vest has so many pockets and pouches to carry all those things you need on your runs. We love the pouch in the front. It has space to put any energy gels or chews. You can put your phone, your sunglasses in the little pouch at the back. And the bladder is great because we feel like it's just so easy to use. You don't have to stop your run for a long time. If you want a sip of water, you could even take a sip while you're running. It's nice and long too, so you can share with someone else, which my husband shares with me. We just feel like it's such great quality. It has a reflective little tabs everywhere, so when you run in the early morning or late at night, you'll definitely be seen by traffic. It's just such a lightweight running vest. We're super impressed with it. I don't know what I would do without it on my long runs. So I know you'll love it as well, and that's my point of view.